Butoh is your personal art. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This is yours. It is not something to compare with other Butoh artists. It is not something for others to judge you whether you are authentic or fake or deep or superficial. This is yours. Nobody can tell you what they feel in your body. If you say that you are doing Butoh, I am not going to question that. Of course, others can have opinions, but at the end of the day, it's all about you and this art. I would even say that even in performance, if you wish, you can completely turn off the awareness of the outside world and go completely inside. I mean, it might undermine the idea of performance, but I feel this also should have a place. This, what I call synthesizer knob, I always put synthesizer knobs on everything. The synthesizer knob from the awareness of only yourself, so that's 100% inside, to the other end of the spectrum, the 100% outside. Generally, I like to stay in the middle, 50% inside, 50% outside, which is what is also practiced way back in the No theater, this concept of being aware of both sides. But sometimes the art is only for you and you don't care too much about onlookers or witnesses. You know, even you are a witness. You are a witness to your own self. Hey, maybe spirits are a witness to you. So even then, perhaps there will always be an audience, no matter what. But I say the most important thing is to not let anybody dissuade you from dancing, especially not in Butoh, because this is yours. This is yours. It may not even be about going deep. It may not even be about catharsis. It may just be about resonance, about presence, about becoming. What is resonance? Resonance is listening with your body. It could just stop right there, because perhaps if you're so caught up in going deep and being authentic and all these things, maybe you are actually stuck in your brain. Maybe you are stuck in your brain. Perhaps just let go of all that and just dance. And just dance the elements. Dance the wind. Dance whatever comes up without the judgment factor.